Welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. If you are wondering what to make for your favorite teacher on this Teacher's Day, then I am there to help. Just take a blue color paper and fold it as shown. Next, take a white A4 paper. Place this as shown. Mark and draw a line. Then mark at 0.5 cm from all the sides and draw lines. Cut it out. In the same way, cut two more pieces. You can now glue this inside the card. Now for the outer part, take a thin strip of paper, fold it as shown. Draw and cut as shown. We will now get small hearts. Now draw lines as shown and glue the hearts to the card. Now we can write TEACHER on the hearts. Next, take another piece of white paper. Draw lines and cut as shown. Using a black pen, make dotted lines. And write Happy Teacher's Day. Stick this piece also to the card. And using a sketch pen, add some details here. Finally, a beautiful card for Teacher's Day is now ready. You can write whatever message you want inside the card and gift it to your favorite teacher. So I hope you all liked the video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will be back with another video very soon. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.